Once upon a time, on a tiny island in the bustling New York harbor, stood a giant lady unlike any other. Her name was Liberty, but everyone called her Lady Liberty. Made of shining copper, she stretched her mighty arm high, holding a flaming torch that could be seen for miles around. On her other hand, she clutched a stone tablet inscribed with a mysterious date. July 4, 1776. But what did it all mean? Little Amelia, who lived nearby, spent her days dreaming about Lady Liberty. Every morning, she'd wave to the statue from her window, whispering, "Good morning, Lady Liberty. What secrets do you hold?" One sunny afternoon, Amelia's grandpa sat her down and told her the amazing story. "Lady Liberty," he said, "is a symbol of freedom. She was a gift from France to remind everyone in America that they are free, just like the chains at her feet are broken." Amelia's eyes sparkled. "Like a superhero?" she asked. Grandpa chuckled. "In a way, she welcomes everyone who arrives in America, promising them a chance to start fresh and chase their dreams. The date on her tablet is when America declared its independence, saying it didn't want to be ruled by anyone anymore." From that day on, Amelia saw Lady Liberty differently. She wasn't just a giant statue. She was a beacon of hope, a reminder that everyone could be free and chase their dreams. She started collecting books about brave people who stood up for what they believed in, inspired by Lady Liberty's courage. Years passed, and Amelia grew up. She became a doctor helping people from all over the world, just like Lady Liberty welcomed them. Every time she passed the statue, she'd whisper, "Thank you, Lady Liberty, for inspiring me to make..." And so the story of Lady Liberty continued, inspiring generations to dream big, fight for freedom, and remember the words etched on her tablet. "Give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses yearning to breathe free," because for as long as Lady Liberty stood tall, the hope for a brighter future would never die.